Hey guys, welcome. We're gonna go hiking today. We're going up to Lime Kiln Trail. If you guys can hear me through this mask. Diana and Joanna. Here's Joanna. Hi, Joanna.
Hi.
We're gonna be doing a little hiking. She likes to do some hiking. I like to do some hiking. We all like to do some hiking. We're a likable people of hiking areas. And so anyway, I've got the backpack, got water, we got the dog, we got just everything. You know how that goes, right? So we are the happy trio. Hi, I'm Rob, or Bob. You can call me Bob. I like Bob better. Anyway, and then this is Diana.
Hi everyone.
And then you have little JoJo.
Hi, Joe.
We call her JoJo. She's pretty awesome. She tries really hard. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and do some walking and all that good stuff.
All the top hat.
All right, are we ready to go for a walk, Joe?
Yeah.
All right.
It's a big walk.
Let's go check out the map. Come here, Joe. Let's look at this map. Okay. So this is called, Joe, right here. This is Robe Canyon Historic Park. So this is Lime Kiln Trail, and it shows you here, like where the park is and where the Lime Kiln Trail is. And it has more stuff, but we're not going to read all that, but there's more information here. Some wildlife. Oh, there's some salamanders and some newts. There's bobcat, black bear,
Ooh.
black-tailed deer, coyote, fox, raccoon, owls, woodpeckers, sapsuckers. Oh, sapsuckers. Yikes. Okay, we're right behind you. We're watching you.
Can hear the birds singing out here.
Do you want me to carry that backpack?
No, I got it.
Yeah? Okay.
Something was moving in the bush. I heard that. It was a white-tailed deer. I doubt that. It was a little smaller than that.
Oh, see, those looking for a plant to poop on.
There's a lot of ferns. There's like tons of ferns.
There's tons of moss, too. And
Yeah, all the trees are covered in moss.
yeah. Actually, 2 jugs of water from 2 banana, and then 1 lunch container.
That's cool. I can definitely deal with that. Right?
2 jugs of water and a lunch container.
Okay, now what's the little baby going to be doing?
A baby bottle.
And that's what the lady's going to try to sell the baby bottle to us?
Yep.
How much are baby bottles? How much is the baby? How much money is that worth?
$1,000.
Whoa, where are we?
Just for 1 baby bottle.
Oh yeah.
And it's a small baby bottle. Is it? Are we getting
Oh, look,
close?
a damselfly. There's a damselfly right
Wow, a damselfly. Well, it's pointed out
Blue.
the legendary damselfly.
Yes.
Walking in the woods, guys. Here we are, walking in the woods. I've seen one group of people, that's it. So I kind of took my mask off until I see some more people, you know. Anyway, guys, got the backpack. Can try to look down on the ground, maybe I don't fall.
What do you think about that, Joe?
It's cool. cool.
What is that?
It's a centipede.
Oh, wow. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's all black and yellow.
Come on. It's all hanging down like hair off these trees. That's crazy. How do you think that grows? You think that's part of the tree?
Wait, there's a sign coming up.
Oh, there's a sign up here. Let's have a look at that sign.
There's 2 trails.
Oh, another white butterfly, too.
Oh, it looks like we have to go left.
Guys, there's
the
actually
white
2
butterfly.
trails. Mama, there's 2 trails. Look. There's one on that side, and there's one on that side.
Oh. Well, we want to stay on the Lime Kiln, so which way do we go?
We go this way, I think.
We go straight.
No, it says Lime Kiln Trail, and it points that way.
Okay, well, that's the way we
Let's
gotta go then.
Come on, Caesar. Let's go. Come on,
Let's
Caesar.
go.
Come on.
Oh, I hear water, Joe. Do you hear the water? Let's see if we can see it.
The closer I get this way, the more I hear it.
Yeah, there's a
Oh,
lot of
it's
water
down there
going
somewhere.
Down that way. Yeah, see, it's all covered with rocks and stuff.
There's a lot of blackberry bushes here.
Yeah.
Don't go slipping down there, Steve.
Yeah, watch where you're going.
Slipping down there, JoJo.
I won't. I'm worried about Caesar.
I'm worried about everybody, yeah.
Butterflies love this area.
Yeah, what kind of butterflies?
Joe's having a little snack now. Joe got hungry. What are you eating, Joe? What is it?
Potato chip.
Potato chips, yum.
Mmm, potato. That's what's for dinner. Oh boy, is Caesar gonna make it across today?
Keep holding on.
Here goes JoJo.
Be careful, Daddy.
I'm gonna try to get across this bridge here without too much prevail. See, it's not much bridge left. There's only like a 2 feet wide. 2 feet wide. You guys can see that. All right, let's keep going.
I can make it up here. No problem.
Hmm?
I can make it up here. No problem.
What? Those are famous last words, Joe. Oh yeah, this hill's no problem. What?
And the smallest dog is our dog.
So we're almost done. We're getting really tired, but we're getting to the last leg of the trip. So yeah, our hearts are beating hard and Joe's legs are getting tired. Oh, you can see her back there.
He's out here somewhere.
But it's been a great hike, so we've had fun.